Improving high ping in Rocket League can enhance your gaming experience by reducing lag and increasing responsiveness. Follow these steps to optimize your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it typically offers low latency and more reliability. Step 2. Close background applications. Before playing, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes downloads to streaming services and other online activities. Step 3. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service QoS if available. This feature prioritizes gaming traffic over other types of data, potentially reducing ping. Step 4. Choose the right server. In Rocket League, select a server that is geographically closer to your location. This can significantly lower your ping and improve your overall gaming experience. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or suggest upgrades to improve your speed and stability. By following these steps, you can work towards reducing high ping in Rocket League and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.